Every term, schools spend countless hours manually checking and distributing student results, often leading to long queues, errors, and frustrated parents. Introducing the Academic Result Validation Hub, a powerful, secure system built on Google Sheets and Google Apps Script. Students can now access their results instantly by entering just their ID and full name. Within seconds, they receive a clean, professional dashboard showing their subject scores, grades, class position, and teacher remarks. With one click, they can download a beautifully formatted PDF report card, ready to print or share with parents. Administrators access a secure gateway using a passcode, ensuring only authorized personnel can manage student data. The admin dashboard offers live student search, easy data entry, passport photo uploads, and real-time synchronization with Google Sheets. This system is fast, secure, and completely scalable, all powered by tools you already use every day. Ready to build your own? Watch the next video for the complete step-by-step guide, built by Ovatech.